Hi, I just wanted to show you something that I thought was really cool. I don't know if somebody's already made this petal, but I was dying to try this new mesh I got from I will write the correct names of these petals in the description in the comments below because I'm afraid to mislabel them and then feel like an idiot. So anyways, we'll just if you're going to make your petals ahead of time, I suggest you do, because this would be really irritating trying to, whoops, get it all together and then having it fall all apart. So you can even take a minute before you close it up all the way and keep your hand on it and pull. All right, hang this up with this zip tie. Yeah, that's better. And then you got that petal. Huh? I wonder how this would look on a wreath. Right? What are we going to call this one? Is there a name for this petal? I'm going to send Julie this video before I send it to anyone so I can make sure of the names of the petals and correctly label them. But there. And then you have this side, you got this side. So you can do one row this way, and then one row that way, and then one row this way, and then one row that way. What do you think? Should we stick it on a ring and see how it looks? Oh, I don't have one over here. Hold up, girl. Let's get one of these bicycle wheels, because they sit on there really well, on the bicycle wheel ones that get from Dollar Tree. Which way should we do it? I'm so excited to even try. Look at it. Look, I did that one with that orange one because that's all I had on hand was the orange, and I was wanted to try it, and I didn't have a chance to go in my supply and get the clear ones. I don't have any more black ones, so I'll have to pick up some more zip ties. But let's see how this is gonna look. Let's see that. Oh, I am excited. You're not gonna see that orange right there, so don't worry about that. Get it to the side so I can snip this off. Ooh, gotta be careful. Okay. I'm gonna try to make sure that these are on the outside because they can really, they'll nip you and it'll hurt. So, what if we get it this way too? Look at that. Wait, how would that look? Or should we just continue keeping them in like this? And in the middle do a row. I'm so excited. Are you guys excited? Look at this. This is great. It's nice to think that you come up with something new, but somebody's probably already done it. It's okay. It's okay. It's all good. It's all good. Because I'm just sitting here and I haven't seen anyone make a petal like this. I said, wouldn't that be cool though? See how that looks, Julie? Isn't that great? And then we could do, yeah, I don't know. I have so many ideas, right? And you think. But I hope you see this and see this, how this is, looks really pretty. And from the back, I'll get back to you, Julie, and I'll let you know how all this comes out. And maybe you'll see the first houndstooth bicycle wheel flower. It's going to be a big one. Great. Talk soon. See how it come out. I like it.